Unraveling the phrase, to be a third wheel. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and explore its many phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, to be a third wheel. It's a fascinating expression that pops up in both casual and formal conversations. So, if you've ever felt a bit out of place in a group, this phrase might resonate with you. Let's get started. To be a third wheel refers to a person who feels left out or superfluous in a situation, especially in scenarios where everyone else is paired up or in couples. Imagine a bike that is designed to run smoothly on two wheels. Now, imagine adding a third wheel that isn't really needed for the bike to function. This third wheel might feel a bit out of place, right? That's exactly the sentiment this phrase conveys. While the exact origin of "to be a third wheel" is a bit murky, it's commonly believed to stem from a time when machinery and vehicles were predominantly designed for efficiency. Adding an unnecessary component, like a third wheel to a bicycle or motorcycle, would make the design awkward. Over time, this concept was metaphorically applied to social situations where a person finds themselves in the company of couples or close-knit pairs, feeling somewhat redundant or unnecessary. Let's look at a few examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. I didn't want to be a third wheel, so I declined their invitation to dinner. 2. At the party, I felt like a third wheel since everyone else came in pairs. These examples show how the phrase can express feelings of being out of place or not belonging in social gatherings or events. Using "to be a third wheel" is straightforward. It's best suited for informal settings or casual conversations. When you feel like you're intruding on a couple or a pair of close friends, you can say you feel like a third wheel. However, it's important to note that this phrase conveys a sense of awkwardness or discomfort, so it's best used in contexts where expressing such feelings is appropriate. Feeling like a third wheel is a common experience, and now you know exactly how to express this sentiment in English. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, to be a third wheel, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, feeling like a third wheel is nothing to be ashamed of. It's a universal experience that helps us navigate our social environments. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on English language learning. See you in the next video.